Hello everyone, subscribe and stay tuned for everyday new updates. Let's see a new Boliviad set with a new card art. So our first car from a set is 20 Shelby GT500 number 66. This car got a racing livery in complete white paint job with blue racing decals on body and number 99 BP decals with details. It got a detailed headlights and tail lights. Number 67. A Volkswagen Caddy in a metallic red paint job with black fenders with a 4-spoke chrome wheels and a Porsche Renndienst decals on body. Number 68. A Dodge van. First time Dodge van has released in premium line in Hot Wheels. In complete black paint job with flames on sides and with the HW fire protection decals, and it got 5-spoke chrome wheels. Number 69. A Mitsubishi 22B STI version in a metallic yellow paint job with the details of headlights, tail lights and a 5-spoke grey wheels. Number 70. A Nissan Skyline Liberty Walk. This time in metallic white paint job with the details of Nissan Skyline initials on body with a black hood top, black bumpers with the LB Performance decals on front with a 5-spoke golden wheels, and it got a red roll cage inside the car. Let's see a new Car Culture Premium Box set. The cars in the set are a 1984 Audi Sport Quattro, a Lamborghini Essenza SC V12, a Sauber Mercedes C9, and a Euro Hauler. Check out the sneak peek of the cars. A new release models by Hot Wheels has a Fast and Furious. A 1995 Mitsubishi Eclipse from the movie The Fast and the Furious. This car got a complete green paint job with a carbon fiber hood top with the details of headlights and tail lights, and it got a 10-spoke chrome wheels. A Toyota Supra in a metallic black paint job with a complete details of headlights, tail lights and a complete black glass. A Nissan Silvia S15 from a movie The Fast and the Furious Tokyo Drift in a metallic blue paint job with the orange side decals, tinted black glass and a 10-spoke chrome wheels, and it got details of headlights and tail lights. A 20 Dodge Charger Hellcat from a movie Fast 10 in a metallic black paint job with the details of hood scope, headlights, tail lights, side blinkers, and it got a complete black glass with the black wheels. A 70 Dodge Hemi Challenger from the Too Fast and Too Furious. A 1972 Ford Gran Turismo Sport from a movie Fast and Furious. A 70 Ford Escort RS 1600 from a movie Fast and Furious 6. A 70 Dodge Charger from a movie Furious 7. A Ice Charger from a movie The Fate of the Furious. A 20 Jeep Gladiator from a movie F9 The Fast Saga. Let's check out a new replica entertainment series. So our first car from the Mario Bros movie, a plumber's van. This van got a complete yellow paint job with a black glass with a Super Mario Bros plumbing decals on sides. It got a top ladder and a complete grey wheels. The other cars from the set are a Toyota 2000 GT Roadster and a Ford Super Deluxe. Check out the sneak peek of the cars. Let's see a 2023 HK Super Treasure Hunt, a Glory Chaser. In a complete satin blue paint job with a 4-spoke orange wheels with a chrome engine and a chrome interior, this car got a complete Gulf livery. A new RLC exclusive 2022 mainline factory sealed set. The price of a set is $600. The release date is on January 31st, 2023, 9 AM Pacific time. So check out the sneak peek of this set. Hope you guys liked this video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to all notifications and stay tuned for further more updates. See you next time.